guys, it's your boy Bluggz back at you with another tutorial video. So today we're gonna be doing how to use your mouse buttons in creative instruction. If you don't already know, you cannot, so we're gonna be doing some rebinding. So today we're gonna be using an app called Xmouse. Go to Google Chrome and type in Xmouse to download it. I have already downloaded it, so I'll just show you. So first click on the first thing, take you to this page here and click on latest version and it will start downloading. When you have downloaded and installed it, it will be here hidden. So double click on it and it will open up like this. And here we have a list of all your mouse buttons. So today I'm gonna be rebinding. So my mouse 5, this button here. I will put this button. I will want this button to be my flowing creative instruction. So I will click on this here, open it and go to simulate keys on the file. And then I will choose a key. So the key that is my flat, my flow L. That is my flow. So I will click on OK, and I'll change this mouse 4. I'll change mouse 4 as Z, which is one of my weapon slots, and I will change middle mouse button as P, which is my custom build. So, and then when you do this, you click on apply, and now you have your mouse buttons bind to keys, so you can use your mouse keys in creative instruction and mouse buttons. Hope you guys learn from it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Go.